Hi there, welcome to Maths with Angela. So we're doing fractions of amounts. So I'm going to do some examples and then you can have a go at the questions by yourself. So here we've got 3/4 of 36 and it's a non-calculator. So that's kind of telling you it's probably a nice answer. So let me do an example here. So let's say I want to do 2/5 of 40. Okay, now the thing to remember here is what you're doing is when you're finding a fraction of amount, you're dividing the amount, and the amount is this number here, by the bottom of the fraction and timesing by the top. Now you can do it either way round, but if you divide first, you're making the number smaller and then easier to multiply afterwards with a smaller number. Okay, so let's go through the answer to this. Okay, so we're going to do 40 and we're going to divide it by 5. Okay, so you're going through your 5 times table, so you get to 40, so that's 8. Okay, and then you're doing that number times by the top, which is 2, so that gives you 16. Okay, so that's the answer to that, so you can have a go at question 1. Similarly with this one here where you have a 1 at the top, so let's say we're working out 1/6 of 30. Okay, so again we're doing the same thing as we did with the first one. We're dividing by the bottom and timesing by the top. Okay, so let's do it. So here we have 30 divided by 6, so you're going through your 6 times table till you get to 30, so that is the 5th number, so that's 5, and then we're doing 5 times 1, which is just 5. Okay, so if you keep to this method of dividing by the number, okay, it could be pounds, could be grams, kilograms or whatever, divide by the bottom and times by the top. Hopefully that's helpful. Have a go at the questions that are there. Bye.